Greetings everyone, this is Hong Long from Hong Long Wuxia, and this is Kung Fu Basics number 3. Yes, I know we've been on a long hiatus, and by we, I mean me, but I've been extremely busy with a number of different things. So I'm going to try and put these videos out a little bit more regularly now. So for the last 2 episodes of Kung Fu Basics, we worked on strikes and kicks. So we'll put them together and we'll give you a technique or two to practice today. All right, so let's get started, shall we? All right, we're going to want to strike, a palm strike with our left hand out like so. Palm strike with our right hand like so. Strike, strike. So strike, strike, and then we're going to put in a front snap kick. Strike, strike, kick. Strike, strike, kick. Strike, strike, kick. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to try and put all of those together. So first we're going to strike both at the same time. Strike, strike, kick. Strike, kick. Strike, kick. Strike, kick. Now all at the same time. Now from here, I'm going to set down with the left foot, bring our right foot up, and do a, we'll bring our right foot up, do a side thrust, step out, bird beak, strike with back of the wrist, and then with a palm strike as we turn into a bow stance. Strike, strike. So strike, strike, and then bring your left hand up after you strike with your left hand. Bam. And as you strike with your right hand, you're going to pull your left hand back to protect your temple. Bam. 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 Okay, so after we plant our foot, we're going to bring our right leg up. I'm going to snap it out with a side kick, and then we'll sink into that horse stance as we strike out with our bird beak, keeping our right hand here, or our left, keeping our left hand here. Then we're going to twist into a right bow as we strike with our left hand and bring our right hand up to block the temple. So, let's try that from the beginning. Strike, plant, kick, bird beak, punch. Or palm strike. Hey, are you ready? Okay. Strike and kick, plant, kick, bird beak, strike. Now, as you do it, so first you're going to want to practice this slow so you get the movements down right, and you learn how to put different combinations. I hope everybody's been practicing their push-ups on their knuckles so that they've been conditioning their wrists to keep them straight for punches, because in the next video or two we will be going over punches. So make sure you're doing both vertical and the horizontal ones. You want to be, for the horizontal, you want to keep it a straight line from your from your elbow or from your forearm to your knuckles. And when you're doing the vertical punch, the same thing. You want a straight line. That way you won't be, when you punch, you won't be doing one of these or one of those. All right, that was short and sweet. As always, share, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. All that is down below. All right, everybody, I'm gonna make a renewed effort to post regularly again. There might be another short hiatus when I actually do something else, but until then, I'm going to try and continue to post regularly. So until the next time, everybody, keep practicing.